Are you ready to boost productivity, retention, and morale in your workplace? In today's fast-paced business world, there's no doubt that increased worker stability is the key to unlocking the full potential of your team. We understand that this challenge can be daunting, but we have the solution you've been searching for. As an employer, you might be wondering why it's crucial to enhance the personal and professional stability of your workforce. The answer is simple. It's directly related to profitability. Instability in all of its forms can impact your bottom line. Low-wage workers, in particular, often face personal instability that results in absenteeism, health issues, violations of workplace expectation. This in turn leads to decreased morale, diminished attention to work, or lower job performance. We are committed to helping you achieve success in your business by fostering a stable and thriving workforce. Walk away from this workshop with practical insights and customizable solutions. Don't let instability of entry-level employees hold your business back any longer. Contact us to secure your spot in the Workplace Stability Workshop and take a step toward building a more stable and successful workplace and business.